Yiddish has been occasionally very convenient. And when I mean convenient, I mean, for example, we went to winter sport with that Zionist organization, Hashomer Tza'ir, to Switzerland. And it was in the German section of Switzerland. And we were given as an assignment by the folks there to do an inquiry about the history of the village that we were in. And of course, I didn't know German. And we went to see the mayor of that little village. And he started communicating to me in German. And I answered in Yiddish, and we were able to get ourselves understood. So that was really fun. Another time, and this is a more negative part of Yiddish. When I was in Israel, in that kibbutz, and we were traveling, I had learned very rudimentary some words in Hebrew, mostly pragmatic, to ask directions or something like that. And on the street, we meet with two elderly men, and with my broken Hebrew, I asked them how to go somewhere. And to my surprise, the people look at me a little bit suspiciously and answer in Yiddish. And I asked in Hebrew. I was a little bit shocked, but I answered in Yiddish. And when they heard me speak in Yiddish, their face changed, and they were suddenly incredibly friendly, whereas they had been sort of distant before. I looked like a Schwarze, meaning I looked like a Sepharad, and they were obviously Ashkenaz, and they were not that interested in communicating with me. So the Yiddish here was a discrimination tool.